second. Floor it. Floor it. Floor it, indicate right. You've got to get that speed up now as fast. Floor it, 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 floor it. Up into third gear. Stay here. That's it. Third gear. And watch that guy. Ease off, ease off, ease off. And back on the gas.
Oh my god, oh my god.
That's it.
Thank you,
Going
thank you,
smooth.
thank you. Thank you everybody.
Cancel
thank you.
indicator.
Thank you for that. For
That's
God's
a
sake.
bit too fast.
Shit, didn't indicate. I don't like it when you're being like this. It's just scary.
All
Where
over
am I
the
on today?
Hey,
Where am I on today? Oh, what I'm doing. Where I'm going. Where I've been. Ooh, new birds.
what's your name?
John.
Alright, John. How you doing, John? Johnny boy, Jono.
Shit, didn't indicate.
Off brake, tiny little bit of gas. Just hold down the bike point. A little bit more gas. Hold down the bike point, a little bit more gas. Look at that.
Yes.
That's how you do it, yeah?
Turn right.
You didn't have to do a hill start again.
No.
Then
Shit, didn't indicate.
Start preparing for it. That was good.
Not rocket science,
Yeah.
eh?
So you didn't have to do a hill start, did you?
after 80 yards, turn right.
Comment below. Below your comment. Comment below. Likey.
What are we commenting?
We're
Do you like
commenting.
my eyelashes?
I love your eyelashes.
Tell me if you like my eyelashes in the comments. Because they're like really cheap ones, but they look good in hand.
You need the right hand lane, yeah? Now then, we're going to go round the block and do that again, okay?
Okay,
As we came round the corner, the lights turned to red.
they did.
I was watching your feet, you were still going
Yeah.
at the same speed.
A4087
What I would have done if I was driving, seeing a red light, was I would have taken my foot off
Oh,
that
I
gas
forgot.
and I would have slowed right down, and even if necessary into first gear, yeah?
Yeah.
See the lights are on red?
Yeah.
Don't put it to
I'm
second.
not gonna.
That's it. So now,
I'm just gonna get this up
that's
the
it,
hill.
as slow as you can, as slow as you can. Ease off a little bit more. And then hopefully, by the time we get to the red light, doesn't always work, but sometimes it does, it could change to green, yeah? Look at that. Look. We didn't have to come to a stop. Because you looked at the light, yeah? And you dealt with it at the bottom of the hill. So as soon as you see a red light, don't go flying towards a red light. Start preparing for it. That was good.
Not rocket science, eh?
So you didn't have to do a hill start, did you?
after 80 yards,
Thanks,
turn right.
Let's
A4087
indicate.
It's a second now.
Go on.
You don't
Turn
really like
right.
that. Right, nobody else behind him. There we go. Bring that clutch back up for me. Stay in complete control of the vehicle, please. So, the lights were on red when we were here last time. Yeah?
Was they really?
Yeah.
This far back?
Yeah.
God.
I was thinking to myself,
No.
I would be slowing down, you know.
Turn right.
Look at that.
High Street. Then
Right down into
bear
first gear,
right.
slow it down,
Station
down.
Road.
Off brake, tiny little bit of gas, just hold down the bike point, a little bit more gas, hold down the bike point, a little bit more gas. Look at that.
Yes.
That's how you do it, yeah?
Turn right.
You didn't have to do a hill start again.
No.
Then bear right.
And nothing felt rushed or
Cool. So the lights are on red.
made.
Chances
Is that the
are
way we're going? Yeah.
we're going, that's it, following the side when we're going right. And they're back on green. However, just watch this
Why is it
woman on the right,
jittering?
because you're still in first gear, that's why.
Bear right.
There we go.
Station
Oh my
Road.
God. Jesus.
There,
Yeah.
please.
And now it is red.
So this is a tiny little bit of a hill, okay?
Yeah.
Just a fraction. Once we're on the other side, stay in the left lane.
Get out the boot, please.
So, we've learnt a very valuable lesson there, haven't we? Yeah? If you
So
see a
look
red
at what
light,
colour the lights are.
look
Yeah.
at the sooner you see them, the
Yeah.
easier they are to deal with, yeah?
Yeah. I've definitely failed my test.
Bike point and away. Hold it on the bike point, Off the brake. Keep in the left, look. Oh,
Yeah.
they've just turned to green, look at that.
It's awful. We don't want that. Stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green, stay green. Thank you.
Turn red, please turn red, please turn red.
Well, I hope I don't get this test route.
There is a 95% chance,
They'll
okay,
make me drive through Bangor.
you will be going through Bangor.
Okay.
Either coming back towards the
Fine.
test centre or heading out to the test centre like we're
After
doing now.
200
Yeah?
yards, cross the roundabout
95%
and
safe.
take the second
That's
exit,
fine, I'll deal with it.
A5, Mollhead Road.
Yes, you will.
Indicate.
No, it's a mini roundabout.
Cross the
You're going
roundabout
straight
and
ahead.
take the second
Just
exit.
look for indicators. Look for clues if you can't see any clues. Look at the situation in front of you.
That thing is
Sort
cool.
of Trabant, is it?
I've
A little
no
bit of
idea.
gas, a little bit of gas now. Go on. Go on.
Oh no, go, 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 go. You can
Just
do it,
about
Carl.
caught here.
That's a cool shirt. Is it a bad thing? Is that a bad thing? You're not answering me. It's good to me. Getting the silent treatment. I know it is. I know it's bad. I'm just looking for validation.
Ask silly questions.
400 yards,
Silly
Don't get a
answers.
fucking answer at all.
and take the first exit, A5, Mollhead Road. Cross the roundabout and take the first exit.
I don't need to be indicating to go
Yes, you
onto
do.
it. Oh, I do.
Because there's no left on that
Yeah.
one. You can actually do it before
Okay.
you even get into
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. I was wondering. Floppy mirror. It's an interesting coloured Audi behind us.
When it left Bangor, it was probably green in colour. Because we've been driving so slow, in front of us changed colour.
I was sticking to the speed limit.
What is the speed limit?
Here, 40.
Yeah.
I'm going too far under it.
I like 5 below.
5 below.
After
It's not enough.
300 yards, cross the roundabout and take the first exit, A487, Treborith Road.
Treborith. Oh my god. This one is very
Cross the
bushy and
roundabout
scary.
and take the first exit.
Just
Could you have indicated a little
Yes.
bit earlier on that one?
yes. I should have definitely done that.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit towards the Spittingwynne Hospital. Then bear right.
how could you have made that roundabout a little bit easier?
That with everything sooner
That's
again. Yeah.
Everything sooner.
I get like
After
worried
90
that the
yards,
person behind me is
Let
going
me
to
help you with this, okay?
then go
You need
left
first
on
gear,
the
okay?
roundabout and take the first exit.
Okay.
Left, yeah? Second.
Go left on the roundabout and
Tell
take the
everybody where
first
you're going.
exit, Penhallow's Road.
Stop making
Then
everybody
turn
guess.
right.
So just look to the right. Look where you're going, look to the right. Look where you're going, look to the right.
Jesus Christ.
Now then, look at the sat nav.
Yeah.
It's up into second gear. It's just
After
cleaning it
100
with that
yards,
salt.
turn right,
Something
follow
or a right
colour.
mirror, indicate right. Don't worry about him behind us, okay? Leave it in second gear.
Turn
That's it.
right.
And a little closer to the centre line. Look into the road you're driving into. Quick glance in your right mirror. Just in case there's a motorbike overtaking us. Try and avoid that pothole if you can help it. Thank you. Then I'd like you to pull over just where that white wall is, the first one, okay?
Okay.
Centre mirror, left mirror, indicate left. Pull over here for me. And back on into neutral. Cancel that indicator. Now then. Okay. See that there, number 26?
Yeah.
What does that say?
Awareness and planning.
So, planning, okay? If you plan your approach to a roundabout, if you can see quite far, then you can make your decisions a little bit earlier, can you? Instead of waiting till we're at the roundabout, and then spotting the cars coming round, and then going, oh,
It's too much at once.
yeah. So just spread your jobs out.
Yeah.
Even if I'd rather you do them a little bit too soon than too late. At least we're going to be nice and safe when we get to the roundabout, okay?
That's the main thing. The only thing that's important. Really.
Move away when ready, please.
Where am I
And
going? Just around.
back in the room.
Okay.
Comment below. Below your comment. Comment below. Likey.
What are we commenting?
We're
Do you
commenting.
like my eyelashes?
I love your eyelashes.
Tell me if you like my eyelashes in the comments. Because they're like really cheap ones, but they look good hair.
Uh-huh.
After 80 yards, to left.
Yeah.
Turn right, Penhallow's Road, then go left on the roundabout and take the first exit.
Nah, I'm not trusting that. There's a bus there. Oh, there's still a bus there.
Go left on the roundabout and take the first exit, then bear left.
Do you want to help you?
Bear left,
No.
then cross the roundabout and take the second exit.
Is there something you could tell me on? I'm not sure. Second exit, I don't need to indicate.
Cross the roundabout and take the second exit, A55, towards Better Secured.
Look. This side.
Oh, I don't know.
Look again. This side.
Okay, I've decided.
Gas. Follow the canoe.
With the high-vis jacket swinging off the back of it.
Get me into second gear as soon
There
as you
you
can.
go.
Get me into second. Floor it. Floor it. Indicate right. You've got to get that speed up now as
Yeah.
floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it, floor it, floor
I'm
it,
scared, I'm
floor
scared,
it.
I'm scared.
Up into third gear. Stay here. That's it. Third gear. And watch that guy. He's off. He's off. He's off. And back on the gas.
Oh my god, oh my god.
That's it.
Thank you,
Go
thank you,
smooth.
thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Cancel
Thank you.
indicator.
Sorry for that. For God's
Up
sake.
into fourth gear.
Whoa. Jeez. That's pretty intense, that.
Yes, it was. You have to make lots of really quick
Yeah.
decisions. Eh? Right, look at that camera over there and wave goodbye. Now look at that one up there, wave goodbye. Now look at that one over there, wave goodbye. Look at that one over there, wave goodbye.